Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about frosting caps and dyeing your hair really blonde. Check it out. Okay, hey, I'm Melanie. Welcome to my channel, Toasted Blonde. Today we're talking about frosting cap because I failed you in my last video. I didn't go big, I didn't go strong. I just did a little technique and I felt really bad about it, so I went big into it this time. Really blonde, really good technique, and check it out. But first, subscribe to my channel because I'm 46 years old. I have rosacea, sensitive skin, and I do all kinds of weird reviews and hair things, and I'd really appreciate if you subscribe. Yeah, let's get started to frosting your hair with a frosting cap. Easy for an amateur who doesn't know what they're doing. It was so freaking easy. Check it out. Okay, so there was just not enough blonde last time. Look at it. I know it's greasy. So I'm just going to focus on the top and go in with the cap again. Okay, so again, we're brushing the hair straight back. Opening up the cap and we'll put it on. Really tight and close to the head. Okay, so I didn't show you the painfulness of having somebody pull that through, but I asked every member of my family to pull a little bit through because I didn't feel like doing it myself, and that's what you should do as well. Okay, mixing it up, 2 ounces 30 developer and 1 scoop of bleach. Some gloves. Some gloves will come in handy, I think. And then just paint it on. Oof. Okay, so now it's time to go ask for assistance for the back. See? I need help! Okay, we're at 15 minutes. It looks pretty damn blonde, but last time I made a mistake and rinsed it out now, and it ended up with just orange highlights. So, I'm just gonna chill and wait 10 more minutes. I even set a timer. I was like, just wait 10 more minutes. All right, I waited 25 minutes. It's super blonde. It's scary. I'm gonna rinse it and I'll be right back. Okay, I started to rinse it now and I looked at it and I was like, this is pretty orange, so we're just gonna put some more bleach on it and wait because I want it more blonde. Okay, we're gonna wait till it looks white again. It's looking really orange in this light, isn't it? It's been an additional 20 minutes with my kind of bleach bath on it. I'm still trying to wait and decide what to do. Okay, I've decided that it is yellow. It isn't orange. And so I'm going to rinse it and do the Wella T18. Okay, so here's what I got. And now we're moving on to the Wella T18. Okay, so I got my Wella T18, 1 part toner, 2 parts developer, and then a little bit of the 0500 blue additive because, violet additive, where is it? Because it's like a little more orange than I thought on top. So we'll just apply this and keep a careful watch. Alright, I don't know how long it's been, but it's like dripping down my face and my neck is so itchy that that's it, I'm done. I'm done. This is what it's gonna look like. That's what DIY is all about. When you're done, you're done. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's dry and looking good. So did it again. Okay, so here it is, my final look. Check it out. Look at this. Look at these highlights with a cap. I mean, obviously, my hair was really blonde on the ends to begin with, but look at this. It's nice, isn't it? Really, really nice, really pretty, and look, done with a cap. By an amateur, by like a DIY amateur. Okay, let's look at it before and after, and I want to say thank you so much for watching my frosting cap take 2. I hope it was better than last time.